Hey everyone, welcome back to SaaS Trac, your one-stop channel for honest and in-depth reviews of the best tools and software for your business needs. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update on the software that can genuinely move your business forward. In today's video, we'll be reviewing Voila AI Assistant. Tired of hunting across the web for the right AI tool? Or worse, context switching between a dozen different AI apps? Voila claims to bring everything you need for content creation, research, and communication under one roof, integrated directly into your browser. It promises to be your AI-savvy guide, not just another directory. So let's dive right into its core features. Voila is your personal AI generator, offering a clutter-free way to explore and use the ever-growing world of AI agents. It's designed to serve creators, marketers, and developers by making AI discovery fun, fast, and efficient. Think of it as simplifying your marketing and content workflow through a seamless, browser-based extension. Module 1. Content creation and tailored discovery. The first core function we'll explore is Voila's tailored discovery engine for content creation. This is where Voila helps you quickly build your go-to AI stack. We'll show you how to generate professional, high-quality content instantly. Let's say we're focused on scaling our blog production. We open the Voila Assistant and start a prompt. By typing blog, Voila's smart suggestions pop up, offering structured templates like blog post or blog outline. Now, here is the feature that makes Voila a game changer: its ability to process the page you are currently viewing. Click the Use Page as Context button. By leveraging the web page's information, Voila acts as a sophisticated content agent, creating a highly relevant, conversion-driven article in seconds. This saves you hours of research and writing time, allowing you to focus on your sales goals. Module 2. Real-time research and summarization. The second module is crucial for real-time search filters and analysis. Marketers and researchers constantly need to extract key information from dense web pages. Voila's real-time information processing lets you scan tool highlights at a glance, eliminating the need to open multiple tabs. When we reopen the Assistant and type page, we see actions specific to the page content. This is a massive productivity booster. Instead of asking for a generic summary, let's go specific. We type in the command, summarize top 5 features. Voila instantly pulls out the key value propositions. Whether it's creating high-quality content, writing emails faster, or getting instant answers. This instant preview feature is what truly helps you compare similar tools side by side with ease and stay updated with newly launched agents every week. Let's look at a concrete use case. Imagine we're a product seller looking at the specs for a new product like this Apple Watch page. We need to turn those dry specs into a compelling social media blog post. We instruct Voila, turn into a blog post. Voila instantly generates a well-structured, persuasive post by intelligently pulling the core features, like the new chip or the gesture controls. This is product storytelling made easy. Module 3. Direct messaging and communication automation. Finally, let's look at the direct module equivalent. Voila has power to automate professional communication, especially within email clients like Gmail. This is where you can truly scale your communication without the copy-paste chaos. When responding to an email, for example, a request for an interview, we click the Voila icon inside the reply box. Voila immediately reads the context and suggests actions like accept the interview or ask for more details. Simply giving Voila a command like say yes results in a polite, professional reply being drafted immediately. The crucial part for workflow is the control. You can instantly rephrase, simplify, or change tone before clicking copy and insert. This allows you to manage your inbox faster than the native app, maintaining a high standard of communication. For customer service and team consistency, Voila supports team collaboration mode through custom templates. Look at this incoming customer service email about a missing order. We can use the pre-made email templates function to instantly draft a response that apologizes, provides the tracking information, and reassures the customer. This ensures your communication is always high quality and on brand. Overall, Voila's modular system, divided across content creation, research, and communication, offers fair value for the time and complexity it saves. It's 100% browser-based, optimized for mobile, and offers personalized recommendations that improve over time. Whether you're launching a new product or updating thousands of pieces of content, Voila puts you in control of fast, high-quality results. That's all for today's video on Voila. We'll see you again soon with another tool breakdown and honest review. Until then, take care and keep building smarter.